Hi guys, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you for clicking on this 2020 Sea Ray 23 SPX. This boat is a quantum blue hull color with a stone upholstery package and a white 200 horse Merc for your power plant. We've also upgraded this boat to have storm gray over black faux teak sea deck, and the boat has a midnight blue Sombrella bimini. You can see the water sports tow bar ready to roll for skiing or tubing activities with the kids or the family. Lots of room on this aft swim platform, and then clean entry into the cockpit on the port side with L-shaped living room style space in the cockpit, along with dual captain's chairs. Makes this boat an entertaining dream and seem a lot larger than 23 feet. Concealed cooler under the aft bench, and under the back lounger, a monster storage locker with 2 integrated tables. Great spot for towables, tubes, bunch of bags. Looking forward again at the helm seat. This boat's packaged with a 5-inch Simrad, along with your traditional Sea Ray gauges, a tilt helm, Fusion audio, and the 23 is outfitted with a toilet on the port side, easy access to the head area. It's lighted. Then moving forward, a good clean shot at the bow seating. The gray upholstery, the light, just the whisper gray, doesn't hold the heat, it doesn't show the dirt, and it just offsets the white gel coat. Very nice, with a good subtle pop of color. Windshield folds in the middle to get you out of the elements. Both the captain's chairs swivel, as well as adjust fore and aft for different driver heights. Man, and that storage locker is just massive. Anyways, guys, thank you for taking a close look at this Sea Ray 23 SPX. If you have any questions regarding this boat or any others, let me show you guys our showroom right now. For anybody who has not been in to see us in Clearwater, we are right on Highway 19, just south of Bel Air Road, and we have Sea Rays from 19 to 40 feet, Boston Whalers from 11 to 42 feet, and we are ready for the spring, late spring, and summer boating season right around the corner. I hope you've enjoyed this close-up walkthrough of this 2020 23 SPX. Again, I'm Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Feel free to call us with any questions. Our contact info is below on the video, and we hope to see you on the water. Thanks.